It's Apple's most advanced smartphone to date.
This is iPhone 5S.
With the 16GB model retailing for $649 off contract, what does it really cost Apple to build its fingerprint-protected phone? We turn to our friends at Tech Insights, who opened up the phone to see just what's inside. They say the most expensive part of the phone is the 64-bit A7 processor. The brain of the phone, Apple says it is up to twice as fast as the A6 seen on the original iPhone 5 and new 5C. Tech Insights estimates the cost to be $3650. After that comes the 1136 by 640 display and touchscreen, which Tech Insights approximates to be around $29. The Qualcomm chips enabling the phone's mobile connection are the same as those seen in the 5C and are estimated to cost $2550. One of Apple's big selling points on the 5S is the back camera. With a larger sensor and the ability to shoot slow-motion video, Tech Insights believes the front and back cameras together total $15, while the 16 gigabytes of storage used to store those photos and other data comes in at $9. Tech Insights estimates the other main electronics, the battery, RAM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS chips together total $13, while the non-electronics, casing, and other materials together add up to $66. This would make the total cost of the 5S $194, giving Apple a profit of $455. Now, this does not take into account research and development costs, all of which contribute to the final cost of the phone. Matt Stewart, CNN Money, New York.